Florence Nightingale by Hailey Bishop, Olivia Baker, Tracy Rupp, and Makenna Parker. Florence's background. Florence was born into a wealthy family in 1820 in Florence, Italy. She began her career as a nurse, as a volunteer at a hospital where she was self-taught. Once the war in Crimea broke out, Florence was summoned to get a group of nurses to go to the emergency war hospitals to care for the wounded soldiers. Hand-washing between patients started during the Crimean War. Florence saw that 16,000 of 18,000 deaths were as a result of infectious diseases and not their injuries. She was the first to recognize, and maybe not the first to recognize, but certainly the one to bring attention to how arrangements of patients, cleaning of the laundry, and how meals were prepped contributed to the mortality rate. Florence Nightingale created the first nursing school in 1860. Before nursing school was considered a chore. She required high levels of education and training, which changed the future of nursing, much like we are experiencing today. She also wrote notes of nursing. This lined out what nurses should be doing to give the best care for their patients.
Look at this staff that I put on this guy's wound.
Gross.
Isn't that gross? Alright, we're gonna clean you up. We're gonna be your nurses today. Had a little accident. Alright, I'm gonna look in your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, looks good. Well, another patient died.
We should go check on our other patient.
Alright. Hello? Sir? Sir?
Hello.
Hello?
I don't feel a pulse. He looks the same as the other guy did.
Oh man. Alright, well. It's too bad.
Can you two nurses tell me what happened to your patient today and why you think he passed away? Who did that?
Went in and checked him an hour after we changed him and assessed him. And he was dead.
He was dead? What do you look like?
His heart
Pale.
was not beating.
Cold.
So, what do you think caused him to die? Just his wounds?
This is time to go.
You were taking care of him properly? Alright, so we have new rules. This is a quote from me a long time ago. Every nurse ought to be careful to wash her hands very frequently during the day. If her face too, so much the better. So, I need you guys to start washing your hands in between each patient. 1,000 patients have died during this war. And most of them have died from infections. Prevent spreading typhoid fever and other communicable diseases. And also to prevent you guys from getting sick. Because if we don't have you nurses, we can't provide care to other people.
So just washing our hands is going to save 16,000 people.
Well, there's also other things you can do here, Makenna. You can pull up your hair, you can wear gloves. If you have protective gear like glasses, that helps. Masks help. Okay, we're going to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds with warm water and antimicrobial soap. So, I'm going to demonstrate that to you guys, and then you guys are going to demonstrate it back to me, okay? Okay, the first thing I want to do is roll up my sleeves so that they don't get wet. I'm gonna turn on my warm water. Get my hands wet. Get a little soap. And I'm gonna scrub for how long?
20 seconds.
20 seconds, that's right. Getting in between my fingers and my thumb, my fingernails. You can go off your wrist a little bit. And then I'm gonna rinse. And then grab my paper towels or a towel, whatever you have. Dry off. And then shut off the sink.
With the towel.
With the towel, because there's germs on there. So I'm not going to go in with my clean hands and get all up in there, right? Does that make sense?
Right.
All right, let me see you guys do it.